Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I have the Torq's buffing kit, and I got this actually during Prime. Was it Prime Day? Yeah, Prime Day on Amazon. So, link in the description if you guys want to get this. But this is an unboxing, and also we're gonna give it a shot here on my 1999 Honda Prelude. So maybe by the end of the video, you may or may not want to buy it. But if you do want to buy it, link will be down in the description. It'll be helping out the channel as you'll be using my Amazon affiliate link. So anyways, without further ado, let's go ahead and open it. By the way, this is not sponsored by them or anything. Like I said, I bought it from Prime Day or during Prime Day. So yeah, we'll go ahead and unbox it. Of course, here's the actual Torq's buffer itself. And I say that because in the Amazon box, it also comes with all the compounds from Chemical Guys. So it doesn't come in here, but it does come in the Amazon box as well. But going back to the Torq's box itself, it's like you have I wish I knew the name of all these things, but it comes with another pad. Now these are Velcro. Comes with the little Allen wrench or little wrench, I guess, to take that off. But also not in this box, but in your Amazon box, you'll also get these different pads. You got your white polishing pad, your medium cutting pad, and your sealant. So if you're using wax afterwards, you'll use this. But I think today we're only gonna use these two right here, the one to cut and the one to polish afterwards. And then I'll probably just ceramic coat with something else afterwards. This is what we're gonna work with. I'm actually gonna work on the hood because it's hard to tell on here. I should be working on things like that, like scratches and stuff like that, but here on the hood, let's see, kind of hard to tell, but maybe you could kind of tell here, it has a different bit of a shine right there. You could probably tell with actually the light above there, but if you concentrate on that light right there, versus here, you could tell, yeah, this is more of a glass shine than that's more of a dull shine. Again, there's that light. So, yeah, maybe hard to tell, but in person, you could definitely tell the difference there. So, go ahead and give the machine a try and let you know what I think. Okay, so we got the one to cut. It's just Velcro. So we're gonna get that on there. Sticks nice. You can see it's a little bit bigger. And we'll go ahead and put one of the compounds in. Now I've learned this from the Chemical Guys video on this exact kit. For the two-step, I'm gonna start with a 34, which is, it says it's a hybrid compound, and then I'm gonna finish it off with 38 finishing polish. So we'll do that. Start off with 34. And then just following from the instructions in the video, it doesn't look perfect like theirs, but we're gonna start off with this. Just place it around. And then at the lowest setting, there's a switch here. It took me a while to find the switch. And now we can go to the next one. All right, now we go to, that was just to spread it. Now we go to 6. All right, let's get that cleaned up. Okay, it's all done. Now I gotta say, right off the bat, I am very impressed on how easy it is to use the machine, how easy it is to follow the instructions on what compounds to use, how clear they are, how easy they are to use as well. And as far as like the finish, overall it's very good and very shiny. I will admit that I kind of messed up the first half because I was supposed to go in at a higher speed with the first component, and I think I only went like the first speed and that was it. Then I went straight into the second component, and then I remembered that you had to go slow speed, one component, fast speed, first component, and then repeat with the second component. So basically you go over it 4 times, and I think I only did 3 on that, and but I did do the 4 here. Now the other thing is, I don't know if it's my towels or what, but I was like, man, is it giving little micro scratches? But it's like the micro towels or something. It's leaving almost like this fur-like thing on it that's giving an illusion of like little micro scratches, which I hate. I did go over it afterwards with like some ceramic spray, and that helped it a lot. But when you look closely, you can see right there, you see like these are like, that's like from the towels or something. It's really annoying. So if you guys know in the comments, like, well, maybe I shouldn't even be doing this, but like how to get rid of that, why it happened. I washed my towels, so it probably would have been better to go with some brand new ones, which I didn't do. So I went with some that I cleaned. So yeah, that's the only thing. But other than that, I would say as far as the product goes, very good, very easy to use. If you're new to this, I think you'll have a very easy time with it. Something like a hood, something that's, you know, big and flat, and definitely a good way to start. I think once you go like sides of the cars and stuff like that, like, man, yeah. Now I know why people that do this for a living get paid as much as they do, because this is, yeah, it takes time. And, you know, they probably know a hell of a lot more. Well, not probably, they do, on how to get this perfect. But I would say for a beginner at home in your own garage, I think I'm very happy with it. Again, if you guys want to buy it, link in the description. I think you'll be pleased. And you'll probably do a better job than me. I'm like mediocre at everything.